Hello and welcome to yet another video. It's me, Yahya Zakir Said, and in this channel, I am going to take you through something different. Now, I have been making videos about AppSumo deals and the other lifetime deals that are available in the market, but today I'm going to take you through one of my own products or a couple of my own products available on AppSumo and available for the Black Friday sale, which is coming up. So on AppSumo, I have launched 3 products right now, one of which is the Canva Masterclass from beginner to designer. This course, I take you through the basics of Canva till the most advanced levels of using Canva. Now, Canva has been something amazing using which I have been creating every single design that I use on my YouTube thumbnails or any other materials that I use for my personal or official work. Now, Canva is a paid tool, but in my course, I teach you how you can use the free version of Canva and do things that are only available on the paid version of Canva. Isn't that amazing? So that's available on AppSumo for only $29. So that's something which I sell for a lot more, but I have made it available on AppSumo as a lifetime deal for you. Now, a lifetime deal on a course would mean, or the specific course would mean that whatever modules or whatever updates which keep coming on Canva would be available for you within the package. You don't have to buy any additional add-ons. You don't have to buy anything extra for you to benefit from the new facilities and features that keep coming on Canva. As and when the features come in, as and when I create the content, I will push it for you within the platform and you would be able to access it immediately. I will be sending out an email to you as soon as there is new content on the Canva Masterclass course, and you can enjoy it. You can benefit from the technology or the features that are available on Canva. So that's the Canva Masterclass course available on AppSumo. If you want to see the curriculum of the Canva Masterclass course, I have put the link in the description down below as well as on the AppSumo page, and you can easily go into this particular platform and see the breakdown of all the modules and lessons that I will be teaching you on this particular course. I take you through the fundamentals of design, wherein I teach you between good and bad designs, the aspect ratio, spacing, and multiple things. I take you from the beginner level onto making you a designer using nothing but Canva. I don't want you to use Photoshop. I want you to use Canva, and I have built in the lessons for that specific thing over here. You can see I have the other modules like getting started with Canva. Then you can also deep dive into Canva, managing pages, using transparency, downloading images and videos, multiple things. How to remove backgrounds for free. These are all advanced features that are available on the Canva Pro version, but I'm teaching you how to do it for free using the free version of Canva. And at the same time, I have gone through plenty of these courses on the internet, but many of them stop where they show you only how to create designs using templates on Canva. But I give it to you as a preview video. So if you want to see how I teach you on this course, you can even come here and watch one of my preview videos and enjoy the content that is available for free. But again, if you want to sign up on the course, you would be easily able to just click on the link in the video below, go to AppSumo and get yourself on the AppSumo lifetime deal for this course only for $29. So isn't that amazing? So that's the Canva Masterclass course by me, Yahya Zakir Said. The next product I have on AppSumo and also available for the Black Friday sale is my Google Forms Masterclass. Now, if you have known me for some time, you would know that I am a Google certified collaboration professional as well, and I love everything Google. So I have made a course so that you can understand how to use Google Forms in the best way possible, how to make good use of it or advanced use of Google Forms, and make these amazing forms so that you can get information from your audience, from your participants, and many other things. I even have created a newsletter subscription form which is available down in the comment section below, wherein you can simply sign up for one of my email newsletters by simply opening the Google form available in the comment section below, signing up, and you can get weekly newsletters from me giving you updates on all the latest AppSumo deals or other amazing technology that you shouldn't miss if you are a technology fan. So sign up on that newsletter and enjoy weekly updates on the deals and other technology. Coming back onto the topic, Google Forms is the course that I have on AppSumo as well. I name it the Google Forms Masterclass because it is a Google Forms Masterclass course wherein I take you from the basic to the advanced levels of how to use Google Forms and how to make good use of it. Because Google Forms is not something many people use. Every one of you may have a personal Gmail account, but you might not have used Google Forms in your life. Everyone who has a free Gmail account or a paid Google Workspace or a G Suite account has access to Google Forms. You can make wonders happen with it, and I teach you how to make wonders happen with Google Forms in this particular course. So go to AppSumo and grab this deal for $7.99, or if you are getting it during the Black Friday offerings between 21st and 30th of November, you get an additional 10% off on the deals. So that's your Google Forms Masterclass. Again, I have the course preview available on the AppSumo page. You can simply go to the course preview and look at how the course is structured and what you're going to get within this particular course. I show you how to generate leads from your website. I show you how to build a classroom quiz, build a survey, build a job application form, and other examples and use cases. I also give you a detailed document, a detailed use case guide, which shows you how Google Forms can be used in your business. Amazing value for only $7.99. Here you can go and check out the preview of the course, and you can check out the breakup of all the modules available on the Google Forms Masterclass course. Isn't that amazing? So that's about the Google Forms Masterclass course. Check it out on AppSumo using the link in the description below. Now my third product is a document checklist using which I will show you how to maintain your documents in the most efficient manner, and a guide or a checklist which can help you manage and maintain all of your important documents in a central place which is digital, safe, and backed up. So this is my product, Organizing Your Documents Checklist and Guide. Using this, you would be able to understand the level of documentation that you need to do for basic necessities in your life. You can easily understand how to identify the cloud platform of your choice. It can be the likes of iCloud, it can be the likes of Google Drive, OneDrive, Dropbox, or similar. How to use them, how to secure the platform, because you're going to put your confidential data on top of it. How you will secure the platform, how you will secure the content is what I detail in this particular document. Then I give you a checklist of important documents that you need to digitize and upload to cloud, so that next time you are asked for these documents, you don't panic. You simply take out a phone and show the document to the person who is asking on your phone. As simple as that. So that's something using which you can make wonders happen and stop yourself going through an anxiety attack when somebody is asking you for content. So that's a 9-page digital document that I give you through AppSumo for only $4.99. And again, this product is also available for the Black Friday sale, so you get an additional 10% off. So if you would like to buy any of these products from AppSumo, the trusted platform, feel free to check out the links from the description below and enjoy these products for your benefit. If you have any questions on these products, feel free to ask me the questions in the comment section below or within the question section on AppSumo. These are amazing products built for you and for your benefit. I hope to see you on the other side of these products, and I hope to interact with you on the topics. Until the next video, thank you, stay safe, and have a nice one.